The 2010 Mercedes C250 CGI by Vath. The German tuner, Vath, is well known for the tuning kits they have provided for Mercedes AMG models, but now, the tuning firm has unveiled a new tuning package for the Mercedes C250 with both performance and styling upgrades. It's no E63 AMG, but this tuning kit does what it needs to for the C250. Thanks to a V25 tuning kit, the engine's power has been increased to 255 HP and 370 Nm torque. If you want a little more power, then there is always the option of adding another charged air cooler and a sport exhaust system that can take the power up to 270 HP. The result is a top speed of 161 miles per hour. Next to the engine upgrades, the C250 has also received upgrades that will also improve the sedan's aerodynamics. These additions include a new bonnet, front spoiler lip, a rear diffuser, and a trunk spoiler, all made of carbon fiber. The exterior of the car is finished with a set of 19 inches alloy wheels. The package was completed once the tuner added an adjusted brake system with 360 mm braking discs on the front and 320 mm braking discs at the back. The interior also received carbon inserts in combination with an Alcantara roof interior lining. Press release after the jump. Press release. Good optimizing has been the motto of the company Vath near the town of Aschaffenburg for more than 3 centuries. With the tuning kit V25 for about €1,200, the performance of the original 204 HP with an unchanged hub room size of 1,796 cc has been increased using motor technology to 255 HP, 188 kilowatts, and 370 Nm torque. This translates to a new maximum speed of 260 km per hour, which should in no way be underestimated. In combination with the Vath charged air cooler, €1,118.60, and the Vath sports exhaust system, €2,011.10, the car can even reach 270 HP. In addition to the motor technical improvements, the external appearance of the C-Class is part of the obligatory program at Vath. The C-Class presented here has been upgraded with special modifications to the coveted E63 AMG optic and tuned aerodynamically as well as visually with the Vath carbon motor bonnet, €4,641, the carbon front spoiler lip, €1,416.10, as well as through a rear diffuser, €1,773.10, made from carbon, and trunk spoiler, €333.20. Car lowering and a great set of wheels perfect the sporty silhouette. Speaking of wheels, these are weight-optimized tailored rims 8.5 x 19 inches in size at the front and 9.5 x 19 inches at the bank, covered with 235/35 ZR19 and 265/30 ZR19. This costs around €4,046. The brake system has been adjusted to the new additions to be able to bring the vehicle to a stop in much less time. 360 mm braking discs with 6-piston fixed gauges at the front and 320 mm braking discs with 4-piston fixed gauges at the back do their job reliably under any circumstances, complete for €5,355. A complete running gear worthy of a racecourse has also been built in and has height and strength adjustable buffers as well as progressively harmonized springs so that the car drives comfortably on the one hand but still extremely precisely on the road. Carbon can again be found on the interior, this time in combination with an Alcantara roof interior lining, €980. The bottom line is not exorbitant sums, but a result that can be seen absolutely anywhere.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.